Hello children, today let's listen and talk. So now you will be listening to some sounds. Listen to them carefully and try to recognize the sounds. Okay children? So children, those were some sounds which you hear in the morning. I guess you must have heard all those sounds when you are on your way to school. So let's do an activity, a textual exercise. Let's listen and talk. The question is, listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. List them here. So this activity, you have to write down the sounds which you hear when you are on your way to school. I hope you must have heard the sounds of many things when you come to school, when you are on the way to school. So those sounds you have to identify, recognize, and write them down here. So let us discuss some of the sounds which I hope you must have heard. Chirping of birds. I guess most of you must have heard the birds chirping in the morning, right? Then people talking. On your way to school, you must have also heard people talking to each other, the sounds of talking people. Then the sounds of footsteps, tuck, tuck, tuck. You must have also heard the sounds of vehicles moving, like the sounds of car engines, bus engines, bikes, motorcycles, etc. Okay? Then you must have also heard the sounds of rustling of leaves. When the wind blows, the leaves, they make a rustling sound. And children, you must have heard these sounds, I hope. Then you must have also heard the sounds of honking of horns, pom-pom, the horns of buses, cars, scooters, etc. Okay, children? So these sounds you must write in your activity notebook, okay? As an activity in your notebook. Likewise, so many other sounds you must have heard. Okay, so children, that's all for today's class. Hope you have enjoyed my class. Let's meet again in our next class. Bye-bye.